Hey y'all, Bessie Be Graceful here. Today we're going to upcycle pull tabs into a bracelet. Just a quick tip, using paracord doubles this bracelet as an outdoor survival tool. Okay, first we are going to start with whatever cord you decide to start with. You're going to take 2 pull tabs and tie off on the first one. You're going to go through that and over the second and then back out through that first hole on tab number 1. Now you're going to add tab number 3 behind number 2 and next to number 1. This is going to create 2 rows. You're going to weave your cord through this new tab number 3 and back out through tab number 2 in the front. Tab number 4 is going to go on top of tab number 3 and next to tab number 2. You're going to weave the cord through the top of tab number 4 and back out of tab number 3. Every loop will have 2 tabs in it, adding a new one every time to the old one that was already there. Make sure to pull everything tight and continue this process until you've reached your desired length. Remember to have patience and have fun. Good things take time. Remember, for a truly unique look, try different color tabs and materials to weave those together and you will end up with a great project. Just another Bessie bit, clear stretch cord and ribbon are my favorites. Try it out. Let me know what you think.